Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Imovie by creating a new project and importing the files you need. First, add your video to the timeline so you can hear context while editing audio. Then import the music or narration, drag it into the library, or use import media. Once done, switch to the audio browser to preview clips and sound effects. Make sure your audio files are compatible formats so Imovie can load them without delay, which prevents wasted time adjusting incompatible clips later. You now position the audio beneath your video and align it to the exact moment you want sound to start. Trim and split clips by selecting the clip and using the blade or drag edges, which lets you remove unwanted sections quickly. Use fade handles at each clip end for smooth crossfades. This prevents abrupt cuts. For balance, enable ducking to lower background music under dialogue, apply the equalizer presets for tone, and adjust the volume slider until speech sits clearly above music. You finish by playing the entire project to confirm sync and consistent levels, make subtle trims and volume tweaks where needed. When satisfied, export with share file and choose the correct audio quality so your mix survives compression. If something goes wrong, first check basic issues. Is your clip muted? Is system audio routed to the correct device? Or is the file format unsupported? If those fail, close and reopen Imovie, or convert the audio to AAC or WAV and re-import to fix stubborn playback problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.